This is a foreigner in the Philippines. Well, this is a big day for Manang Lina and Talit because they finally, for the first time ever, they have running water. Wow. So Manang Lina would like to say thank you to Sir John Jones.
Yeah.
And June.
No, Sir John Jones.
John Jones.
Yeah, because some of his gifts are we use that to buy
to bring
hose.
The water down from the house.
In the house.
So the water pipe has been sunk into the ground, and now we have here, and then it comes forward.
And also in the kitchen.
Into the house.
Yeah, you can open that.
Or to the CR. Is it to here?
It's a very high security, you know.
Yes. I should point out that this carpentry was done by Manang Lina herself.
Yeah.
So the electric motor is sticking at the moment, but yes, yes. Okay, all right, yes, and almost.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, they have
So,
water there also.
Oh, wow, Talik, can you show
Talik.
the water? Woo! Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's terrific. Isn't that great?
Yes, it's great.
So,
thank you, Sir John Jones.
it really is a big thing here.
Yeah.
Because now that saves every day going down to the well or going up to
Nanay
our house
for drinking.
or Nanay's house for drinking water.
And then washing to the well.
And washing. So right now there's water to the kitchen for cooking, and it's clean water, and it comes the same as we have from our house. And then this will be for doing the laundry.
Yeah.
So look, this is really terrific. And the groundwork was done by Ballantoy,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Sir John Jones for the water. God bless you.
Thank you, Sir John Jones, for the water. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir John Jones. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sir John Jones. It helps very big help to them. You know?
Yes, it's a huge help. We'll make, and you know, it seems like such a simple thing, but it means so much relief from doing back-breaking work, and mind-numbing too, because it's relentless. It's day after day after day, and it never changes. And even though you may minimize the amount that you use water, it is every day. So thank you, John. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir John John. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. God bless you.